The 90-degree rotational box jump improves explosive power, agility, and coordination while primarily targeting the quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, calves, and core muscles for rotation and stability. Here's how to do it correctly. Place a sturdy box or platform at an appropriate height depending on your fitness level. Stand to the side of the box with your feet shoulder width apart, about 12 to 18 inches away from the edge, with your bent arms in front of your face. With your core engaged, push your hips back and bend your knees slightly to lower your hips into a quarter squat position as you swing your arms back to generate momentum before completing the jump. Explosively jump upward while simultaneously rotating your body 90 degrees to face the box. As you rotate, keep your core tight, torso upright, and knees slightly bent to absorb the landing and maintain control. Land softly on the box with both feet, keeping your knees slightly bent to reduce impact and prevent injury with your chest upright. Ensure your feet are firmly planted on the box with your body fully rotated 90 degrees from your starting position. Focus on absorbing the landing through your legs, keeping your balance and avoiding leaning too far forward. Step down off the box 1 foot at a time to reset your stance. Focus on jumping explosively rather than just hopping onto the box to maximize power and control. Repeat all the reps on one side, then switch sides and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.